Using a Visa card on Shein is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and precautions. To get started, make sure you have a valid Visa card and a Shein account. First, log into your Shein account and browse through the products you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, click on the Checkout button. You will be directed to the payment page where you can select your payment method. Choose the credit/debit card option and select Visa as your card type. You will be required to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of your card. The expiration date is the month and year your card expires, and the security code is the 3-digit number at the back of your card. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any errors. Once you have entered your card details, click on the Pay Now button to proceed with the payment. You will be redirected to a secure payment page where you can confirm your payment details. Review your order and payment details carefully before confirming the payment. If everything is correct, click on the Pay button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email from Shein once your payment is successful. To ensure a secure transaction, make sure your Visa card is enabled for online transactions and you have sufficient funds in your account. Also, keep your card details and transaction information confidential to avoid any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily use your Visa card on Shein to make a purchase. Remember to always review your payment details carefully and keep your card information secure to avoid any issues.